The sleep suit bag is a loose-fitting sleeping bag or suit. This unique design can be used as a traditional sleeping bag, or it can be converted into a sleep suit using leg zip converters. This gives it longevity of use, as infants who begin standing in their cot can be given leg freedom without needing to buy a new product. Always check the height and weight recommendations on labels to ensure you have chosen the correct size. All our sleeping bags are bell-shaped at the bottom to ensure hip health and joint growth. Ensure you choose the correct TOG rating for the room temperature and layer accordingly. Our sleep suit bags come in 4 different TOG variations. 0.2 TOG for temperatures above 24 degrees, 1 TOG with cap sleeves for temperatures between 21 and 24 degrees, 2.5 TOG with sleeves for temperatures between 17 and 23 degrees, and our 3.5 TOG with sleeves for temperatures between 14 and 21 degrees. It's also great as an extra layer on children in prams with 5-point harnesses, though the padded TOGs are not recommended for use in cars. All TOGs except the 0.2 TOG are made of silky woven non-stretch fabric and feature stretch panels down the sides and on the shoulders to allow for easy movement. When you notice your toddler starting to reach the end of their sleep suit bag, it is time to size up. Or if they have successfully learned how to keep their quilt on overnight, you may choose to graduate to pajamas. Our sleep suit bags come in sizes 3 to 12 month, 8 to 24 month, 2 to 4 years, and 4 to 6 years, as well as 6 to 8 years for older kids who still prefer a sleep suit bag. The easiest way to dress your toddler in their sleep suit bag is to start with them sitting on your lap. Slide their legs into the suit and pull it up over their body and arms afterwards. When dealing with overnight nappy changes, we recommend only half unzipping the legs. Some cheeky toddlers like to undo their sleeping bags or sleep suit once in bed. In this instance, you might choose to put it on backwards or inside out.